In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for checked bags on the American Airlines. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find this option over at the official American Airlines website at aa.com. When you arrive at the website, select Travel Information at the top, and then you will be able to click Bags. As you can see, this will answer all of your questions related to your bags. If we go over here and we scroll down, we're able to find the Paying for Bags online category. As you can see, what they have to say is, don't wait in line at the airport. Check up to 3 bags when you check in on aa.com or in the app. For more information about paying for your bags online, visit our customer service. So all you have to do is check in through the website or the app. So using the website or the app, complete your purchase and make sure that your flight is properly paid for and accessible. So if you want to do this on the mobile app, all you have to do is open it up and using the sliding menu at the bottom of the screen, select Find Flight, the option I've highlighted for you. When you click Find Flight, you will be able to input the details about your flight and access the flight status page. In there, input the credentials and check in on that page in order to pay for any bags included on your flight. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay for checked bags on the American Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.